Hello, I'm Errol at home, and this morning I made these easy bread rolls. Make sure the water is lukewarm. Too cold and the yeast won't activate well enough, and too hot will kill it. So blood temperature works well. 2 cups of water, 4 teaspoons of sugar, and 4 teaspoons of yeast. I'm using plain dried yeast here. The room is warm and the sun has risen now, but if it's cold you can put it into a hot water cupboard or even sit it on a hot water bottle, which I've done in the winter, and it works well. This is high-grade or strong flour, which has a higher gluten content. Once gluten gets wet, it becomes very elastic, especially after about 15 to 20 minutes, and so it can hold the carbon dioxide created by the yeast as it eats the sugar, and these bubbles of gas in the dough give the bread its lightness. I mix it in the bowl first, then turn it out and knead it, which is gently stretching the dough and folding it back onto itself over and over for about 5 minutes or so, adding more flour as needed so it doesn't stick. I added about 2 cups full of extra flour during the kneading. When the dough isn't sticky anymore and it bounces back, it's ready for cutting and shaping. I made plain rolls, but you can have some fun making knots, cottage loaves and plats too. This batch made 32 small rolls. While I'm shaping the dough, the oven is heating to 60 degrees Celsius. Then I turn it off, put the rolls in and leave them to rise. When they've doubled in size, I turn the oven up to 215 degrees Celsius and take them out when they're golden. I hope you enjoyed this. If so, here's a few more you might like.